Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'll be showing you how to cut and sew a heart-shaped keyhole, which some people also refer to as love shape. The first thing I will do is to come down by 1 inch from the armhole. The neck depth is 3 inches while the neck width is 2.5 inches. Altogether, I want the depth to be 7 inches. Since I already trimmed off 3 inches initially, I will continue my marking from there and I will go all the way to 7 inches, which is my preference. I will connect to the 1 inch which I marked initially. I'm going to make it a little curvy. Before I split this into two, I will place it on a matching lining and cut. The next thing I will do is to place the upper part of this fabric on a plain material and add half-inch sewing allowance. Do well to add half-inch to the lower part of the material as well. I don't have enough to achieve this, but I will show you what it should look like. I will give it a notch at the center. Repeat the same for the plain material. I'm going to open it up and ensure that the right side is facing right side. The right side of both fabric are facing each other, and also ensure that the notches align. I've secured around with pin. I'll go ahead and stitch with half-inch sewing allowance. I will open it up like this and top stitch all the way to the end. This is what it looks like. I will open that place up and give it a good press. I've done that. Folded back and notched the middle. I will open up and connect the two notches together. I'm going to place the heart shape. I'm going to ensure that the center align. The next thing I will do is to trace it with my chalk. And I'm going to sew directly on top of the marking. The beauty of this design is that we are mixing it with a plain fabric. This is going to take a little bit of your time, but it's worth it. Just be careful. Go slowly all the way to the other end. Don't forget to reverse your stitch. I will create a notch in the middle to enable me trim it. I'm going to leave a little bit of allowance behind, and I'm going to notch it all the way around. The next thing I will do, flip over and push the lining to the other side of the fabric, and I will give it a good press. I've pressed it. Of a truth, it's not bad, but I'm going to use Emi gum for a more perfect work. I'm going to take it all the way around. This is totally optional but advisable, but trust me, it's optional. With the aim of steam iron, I'm going to give it a good press. I'm going to ensure it enters that part. This is what it looks like, guys. Can you spot the difference? Look at this. So neat. This is what it looks like. Try yours. Do well to leave comments for me. Let me know how yours goes. Let me know if you need more clarifications. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is the style we'll try to recreate. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.